Are you struggling to access Google Cloud Storage while using the development server on Google Cloud Shell? You're not alone. Many developers face this challenge, and today we're going to tackle it together. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when everything works perfectly in deployment, but the development environment throws a wrench in your plans. It's a common issue that can leave you feeling stuck. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. One user mentioned that they are unable to access Google Cloud Storage from the development server running on Google Cloud Shell, despite it working fine when deployed. They are using the Cloud Storage API and expected the development server to access the same buckets as the deployed application. So what could be causing this issue? It seems like the development server might not be configured correctly to access the Google Cloud Storage buckets. Let's break down the possible reasons and solutions. Stay with me, because at the end of this video, I will share a crucial tip that could save you a lot of time and frustration when working with Google Cloud Storage. To begin resolving the user's issue, we need to ensure that the development server is correctly configured to access Google Cloud Storage. First, the user should verify that they have the correct permissions set up for their Google Cloud project. Next, the user should confirm that the Google Cloud SDK is properly initialized. This can be done by running the command gcloud init in the Cloud Shell to set the active project. After confirming the SDK setup, the user should check the bucket name in their code. The bucket name should match the format yourprojectid.appspot.com. This is crucial for accessing the correct storage bucket. Now, the user should test the application by running the development server again. They can do this by executing the command dev appserver.py in the terminal. Finally, if the user continues to experience issues, they should consider using the newer google.cloud.storage API. This API may provide better compatibility and features for their application. Fun fact: did you know that Google Cloud Storage was launched in 2010? It's come a long way since then, but sometimes even the best tools can have hiccups. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user involves setting the Google Application Credentials environment variable. This points to a valid JSON credentials file. They created a new one using the App Engine default service account, which resolved their issue. Additionally, the user mentions that running the command gcloud auth application default login should also work. However, they faced issues with this method in Cloud Shell, encountering the same access token error. That's it for that response. Let's explore another one. An alternative approach suggests ensuring that the configurations set in your local environment are correct. Specifically, check the settings from gcloud init to ensure they match your production deployment. Additionally, to set cloud storage account permissions, navigate to the Cloud Console. From there, go to Storage, select your bucket, and edit the bucket permissions to add your account as a storage admin. Let's move forward and look at another answer. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests ensuring that you are logged in and have authorized the default service credentials. They recommend using two commands. First, log in with gcloud auth login and then authorize the application default credentials with gcloud auth application default login. Here's the tip I promised. Always double-check your permissions and bucket names. A small typo can lead to big headaches. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to access Google Cloud Storage from your development server. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.